Alright, so right here I have my experiment for conduction, and what I'm doing is I have this circuit here, and supposedly if I plug these two negative and positive cords into this limit, it should conduct electricity and this light should turn on. Alright, so right now I'm going to go ahead and plug these in to see if this works. And it does. Right there, as you can see, is that light's on. And that proves that my experiment works and a lemon does conduct electricity. Now I have my experiment for density. So here I have 2 cups with 8 ounces of water in them. And here I have a medicine cup. And here I have a quarter. Now we'll see what floats and what sinks. As you can see, this floats, which means it's less dense than the water. And as you can see here, the quarter sinks, which means it's more dense. And now I decided to go ahead and put all of these components together to see if it would float or sink. Since the medicine cup floated and the quarter sinked, I don't know what's going to happen, so let's see. It actually sinks. Here I have some paprika, and this is my solubility experiment. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to pour this in here and then mix it and see if it dissolves or not. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it now. It doesn't really seem like it mixed, but let's go see if it truly did or not. So I'm going to put this on top of the flashlight so you can actually see if this is sitting at the bottom and not completely dissolved or not dissolved or not. As you can see, there is still a lot of paprika down there, so it did not dissolve. This is my final experiment, my magnetism experiment. So here I have a lot of assorted bottle caps, coins, a fork, and also this clay that has metal fragments in it and the battery. So now we're going to see what it will pick up and what it won't. Just before we start, only nickel, titanium, cobalt, steel, iron, and a couple other metals will pick up from this magnet. So this did. So did that, because it's made of the same thing. So all the bottle caps picked up. Now let's try the battery, clay, and then fork. So the battery did. And it won't seem to pick up, but I think it will. And it does. This fork did. Coin, no. That was a quarter. Other coin. None of them. Alright, so that was my magnetism experiment and my video.